Yes. Okay, so this is for, so below of the 576. So then after that, this query, how it looks in the media queries, at media, at media. So then min width, min hyphen or width colon 576, 576 pixel. So this is the below of the 576. So this CSS, inside of this CSS is the above of 576. Okay. So after that, so medium screen is at media, min width, min hyphen width colon 768, 768 pixels. Okay. So this is the tab related screens. Okay, so this is the tab related screens. The next one, so large screens. Okay, yet media min hyphen width colon 992 pixel. Okay, so this is the way, so we can apply the CSS. Okay, so this is the way, so Bootstrap is writing the CSS inside of this media queries only they are writing, they are defining. So this way. Okay, so one is extra small, so extra small is below 576, small above 576, medium above 768, so then large above 992, so then extra large above 1200, so extra large, so above 1200 pixel only. Okay, so then, so what are the container width for these things? What are the container width for these things? So for extra smalls, they are defining the 100%. So that's why it is auto. They are placing the auto max container width. For small containers, for small size containers, so they are defining the container width is 540. For medium, they are defining the 768 for 768 screen. They are defining the container width 720. For large, 960. Extra large, 1140. Extra large, 1320. Okay. So if you can observe here, so this is the container width. So if you can observe here, okay, min width 1400, they are defining the 1320. Okay. So min width 1200, they are defining the 1140. Min width 992, they are defining the 960. Min width 768, 720. Container width. Okay. Then 576, they are defining the 540. Okay, 540. Clear? So these are the container width. They are already predefined in Bootstrap in so bootstrap.min.css. Okay, clear? So what is the class prefix for these things? What is the class prefix for these things? Okay, so this is for extra small. So they are defining the class XS, sorry, ES, class ES they are defining. For small, COL hyphen SM hyphen they are defining. Okay, so this number 1, if you want to place 1, so then we can give the 1. If you want to place 2, so then we have to give the 2. Okay, so then medium, so COL hyphen MD. For large, COL hyphen LG. For extra large, COL hyphen XL. So double XL is for extra large. So these are the class prefixes we have to use. So number of columns, so we can place in 12 columns, one row. Maximum is the 12 columns. Okay, maximum is the 12 columns. So then we can see how we can define the columns, how we can define the grid system. Okay, so now, so here I have one div class equal to container. Okay, inside container I am creating the columns. So first we have to create a class equal to without row. So we are defining the columns in row, right? So that's why we are creating the row. So then after that, div see class equal to, for suppose you want to place you want to place one container, one column in one row. So then, so you have to define like this: COL hyphen, COL hyphen, so SMR, SM hyphen 12. Okay. So this way we have to define. So if we can place LG hyphen also 12, so we can define it. Okay. So LG hyphen 12 also we can define it. Okay. So this way we can define. So you have to take the minimum. Okay. Small. Okay. COL 12 column. That means one column, one column in one row. See, one column in one row. So if you want to place the two columns, if you want to place the two columns, again I am taking the another row. So then, so we have to divide 12 divided. So how many columns you want? So if we want two columns, then 12 divided by 2. So then 6 we have to give. 6 we have to give. COL hyphen SM hyphen 6. Sorry. COL hyphen SM hyphen 6 is two column layout. Two columns. So then we have to give another column. So now you can see now. See here two columns is kept. Okay. So then if you want to place the three columns, so then now you can see up to SM up to 572. So they are displaying two columns only up to 572. Okay. See now. So now we are displaying the two columns. Okay. We are displaying the two columns now. Okay. So whenever you are using here MD, if you can use the MD, so up to 760, 768 only they are displaying two columns. So then after that it displaying the single column. Now you can see up to 768. So they are displaying two columns. See now it's 96 and 768. See after 768. So now I am placing 768, 767. So it is converting into the one column. So then how it is converting in one column? So because of we are using MD here. Because of we are using MD here. For suppose if you can use the LG, if you can use the LG, what is our LG width? What is our LG width? 960. That means screen size is 992. So then below 992 it is displaying single column. So then above 992 it is displaying two columns. Now you can see, reloading this one. See now still it is showing single column only. Okay. So 992, below 992 it is displaying single column. So above 992 it is displaying two columns. So this way we can define the columns. So up to where you want to display these columns as a single column, and when we want to display a single double column. Okay. So based on this screen sizes LGSM, so they are displaying. Okay. So now, so most probably up to MD we can define same thing. How we can display LG, and MD also we can display same thing only. So below thing we can convert into one. So then now I am displaying the three columns. Three columns means 12 divided by 3. So then 4 I have to give it. Okay. Okay. So then next one is the, so for suppose here three columns. So now we want to display the four columns. So then we have to give the, 3 here. 12 divided by 4, then so we have to give it 3 3. Okay. So then we have to give another one, 4 column layout. Now you can see this is the 3 column, so this is the 4 column. Okay, so the next one, so 5 column and 6 column. 5 column, how we can divide, this one. For suppose you want to display the 5 columns, so it is not possible, so we cannot divide that one. Okay, so we will look later that one. So then 6 column we want to define. After 4 we have to display the 6, so then we have to give the 2 2, right? 2 2, then 2. Okay, 6, right? 6 columns. Okay, now you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the next one again 12 columns only. So we cannot divide 7, we cannot divide 8, we cannot divide 9, we cannot divide 10. So directly we can display 12 columns. How it looks. So we have to give 1 only, right? We have to give 1. Okay. So then, so same thing I am copying 12. Now you can see. So this is the 12 column. So now we can look the 4, 5, 7, 8, how we can display. So first suppose, so if you want to display div-hyphen class equal to row, div class equal to, just you can give the call. Okay, okay. So 5 column, 5 column. So then you can see it 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it is equally allocating the space. Okay, so before plex, so what, how it is possible? So it is possible only after after releasing the display flex only it is possible. Otherwise previously we don't have this 5 column, 7 column, 8 column. So previously we are having only, so single column, 2 column, 3 column, 4 column, 6 column, 12 column only we are having. Okay, so after releasing the flex concept, then only they are introducing this one 5 column. So if you want to display the, then again, so if you want to display the again 7 column, so then you can copy another 2 things, so it is automatically dividing that space. Okay, now 7 columns, so this way we can display it. Okay, so these are the equal columns. For suppose, in one row, in one row I want to display col hyphen, sorry, div class equal to col hyphen, so md hyphen 6. This means, so this is 6 column, that means half, right? So 1 column, so this is 1 column. So again I am creating, so remaining thing, so div class equal to col hyphen md hyphen, so what is remaining? 3. Okay, the next one is, okay, so this is another thing. Okay, so 3 column, and this one is the 3 column. Now you can see, so first is this one is this column is half width, so remaining is dividing half of. Okay, so same way, so how much you want, so we can, so based on requirement, so we can dividing these columns based on requirement. So we can divide these things. Clear? So this is the way for dividing the grid system. Dividing the grid system. Clear? So next one is the bootstrap headings. For headings also we are having the for headings also they are providing some custom font sizes. Okay, so if you want to use this one, then you can use it, or otherwise if you want your own font sizes, so then you can increase it, no worries, you can increase it. Okay, so then now again, so div, you can take another container, div class equal to container, so then here it is, so h2 bootstrap headings. Okay, so now we are having 6 headings, right? So here first one is the heading 1. Okay, so second one is the h2 heading 2. So third one is h3 heading 3. So same way we are having the 6 headings, h4 heading 4, so then h5 heading 5, h6 heading 6. Okay, so this way we are having, you can see push up heading, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, and heading 6. So for suppose we want to override these headings. Okay, so what is our heading 1? So this is the font size. If you want to override this one, so you have to include our own CSS. So then here, so dot h1 comma h1. Okay, so font size, so 3.5 em. Okay, now it is increasing. This is our own CSS. We can override it. Okay, so based on our requirement, client requirement, we can override this CSS. Okay, so this is the headings. So the next one is so we can use for paragraphs also. For paragraphs, if you want to apply same thing for paragraphs, so then we can apply this way. So they are providing this way also. Paragraph heading 1. So then we can give the class called class equal to h1. Okay, so then 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, now you can see same thing we are displaying. Okay, so Bootstrap is providing for the HTML tag, and also they are applying the class. Okay, both the things, so it is applied. Okay, so these are the headings we are having in Bootstrap. So the next one is the Bootstrap subheadings. Sometimes we can display the heading, sometimes we can display the subheadings. All right, so then so we can display the subheadings also. See here, heading 1 subheading, this is h2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Nothing is there. So after heading 1, so they are giving the small and class is the text muted. They are using the for subheadings. They are using just using the text hyphen muted. They are using. Okay. Now you can see how the subheadings looks like. So this way our subheadings looks like. Okay, so just they are changing the color of that subheading. See it here. They are defining the color. So if you can comment this one, so both are same subheadings and headings. So just they are changed the head subheading color only. Okay, so these are the subheadings. So next one is the again display headings. So that headings is for H1, H2. So then this headings is separate. Display headings are designed to stand out more than normal headings. So that means so they are displaying the more font sizes. They are displaying the more font sizes. Okay. So for that purpose we are having the classes called display hyphen 1 is for heading 1. Display hyphen 2 is the heading 2 and same thing heading 3 display hyphen 3 display hyphen 4 display hyphen 5 display hyphen 6. So for same thing, so now we can copy this one. See, just they are used this class only. Okay, so you have to remember these classes. Okay, now see this heading and this heading is different, and also thickness also it is having the different. So if you can observe this one, so this display one font size is 5 rem and font weight is 300. Font weight is 300. So if you can both comment these things, so this looks like normal heading only. Okay, this looks like normal heading only. Clear? So display headings. If you want to display normal heading, more font size compared to the normal headings, we have to use the classes called display-1, display-2, display-3. Okay, so these are the headings. So the next one is the lead text. Lead text means mark text. So in HTML we are used the mark, right? So same thing we are having here. Okay, mark text. Okay, mark paragraph. So then just use the class called lead. Class called a lead. See it here. Here they are using for normal paragraph. They are using the lead class. Okay. So for normal paragraph, so without lead text, so we can see both the text. Okay. See. So this is the lead text. So this is the normal paragraph. So both are having so font sizes and font font thickness is having difference. So for lead text we are having font size 1.25 rem and font weight so 300. See now both the fonts are same. Both the font sizes and font thickness both are same. Clear? So this is the way we can display the lead text. So then remaining thing we can discuss tomorrow. Okay, so we are having that. So then our remaining things we can discuss tomorrow. Okay, fine. So any doubts? Naveen, Radhika, Madhu. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me, or otherwise you can connect again Monday. Okay. Okay, then fine. Thank you.